My long-term investments recently shot up from $20,000 to almost $80,000 in the last bull market. Yet they almost halved last year during the 2022 bear market. I've been through multiple market cycles over the past 7 years, and this is just part of my process. Bear markets are huge opportunities for us. Providing we take advantage and invest in the right stocks, then every bull market should grow our savings quickly and take us to a new high. So when will the new bull market begin, and which stocks will rise fastest once it arrives? Well, some people actually think the bull market's already here. It's been a great start to 2023, and as you can see, my strategy appears to once again be paying off. In fact, I'm now in the top 1% of investors around the world for my performance over the past 6 years. But back to the market. So most strategists in the media seem to think this rally is temporary and that things are going to get a whole lot worse. So let's block out the scaremongering and remove any FOMO building up inside of us, and let's look at the data. There's been 13 bear markets since the 1950s. That's almost 2 per decade, and with the previous bear market coming in 2018, the most recent drop in the stock market wasn't too unexpected. So how long do bear markets usually last? Well, the average is approximately 400 days, and given the stock market began its slide in December 21, the bear market was likely due to end around now, and therefore supports the idea that this rally could well be the start of a new bull market. Not only that, but this week there was a golden cross in the S&P 500. This is what technical analysts call it when the 50-day moving average crosses above the 200-day moving average. The last time this happened was in July 2020, and the S&P 500 quite quickly gained 50%. Golden crosses occur at the start of every bull market and is another good sign. However, it's worth noting that although every bull market starts with a golden cross, not all golden crosses lead to a bull market. In fact, 30% of them don't. Also, it's worth noting that although these signs paint a positive picture, historically for a bull market to truly get going, we've almost always had to wait for central banks to start easing interest rates. That still hasn't happened, but if you subscribe to this channel, we can quickly react to any signs from the central banks. In fact, I spent my morning the other day tuning into the latest announcement from the US Federal Reserve to get an idea of their plans. Unfortunately, they raised rates again, however, only marginally, and the language they use suggested they're approaching the peak of their tightening. Also, when central banks do start cutting, they do so very quickly, and that's great for stocks, but also for homeowners and job hunters. If you're an unemployed homeowner with money invested in stocks, then it'll be like Christmas. On to the most important thing then, which stocks will rise fastest and highest during the next bull market. Growth stocks are particularly prone to volatility, and that's not a good thing during tough economic environments or a bear market. Therefore, sentiment towards growth stocks, regardless of potential, can get really bad. So bear markets provide a great opportunity to analyse the wreckage, separate the speculative growth stocks from the likely long-term winners, and identify those that have been sold off unfairly or excessively. Because it's companies like these that benefit from lower interest rates, and if they weather the storm, the best growth stocks will be the first out the gate and fastest to rise when the next bull market starts. On this channel, I'll be discussing investment ideas, stock picking, and lots of other ways to make money, grow your savings, and reach financial independence, so please do consider subscribing. It really supports the growth of this channel, and I'll do my best to help us all make money. Thank you, and remember, these videos are just my opinions and should not be taken as financial advice.